Hey, my name is Michael with Holley Performance Products here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. We've got our STS Turbo project car. It's a C6 Corvette Grand Sport. We have the STS Turbo kit installed on it. What you're going to do with that kit is you can install it in your garage, and we come with a tune that will get you to drive it around, check it out, see what's going on. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. So we're going to check it out, see how it sounds, and see how daily driving this car can be. So light throttle, you can't really hear the turbos at all. It sounds like a stock Corvette, but really when you get into it, you can hear that spool sound, and it sounds great. We got the windows up right now, so we'll give it a little bit of throttle here and see if we can hear the turbo whistle from inside the cabin with the windows up. All right. Oh man, that sounds great. Oh man, it's not too obnoxiously loud. You can hear the turbos spooling out back, and the blow-off valve came off. It's not in your face. All right, we'll try the same thing with the windows down so you can hear the turbo whistle a little better, so we'll get a little moderate acceleration. Oh man, that sounds great. It's not too obnoxious, but you know it's there. It sounds incredible.
A few moments later.
All right, so we're at the back of Holley's test track. It's a little, I guess you call it drag strip. It's where we can do some testing. Some tires are being tested back here too. I got Horatio in the passenger seat. He's gonna do his best job to hold the camera, but we're gonna give it the full beans and see what this thing sounds like and feels like. Alright, that was a blast. I'm really impressed with this car. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments about this car, about STS. Any questions, myths you got, we'll try and answer them. If you want any feedback or want to know more about this car, just drop us a line on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. But that's all I got. If you got a Corvette, let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.